Did you know that while you are fast asleep at night, your body is hard at work doing some serious spring cleaning? It's true. During sleep, our body clears out waste and toxins from our tissues through a fascinating system called the lymphatic system. You see, lymph is a colorless fluid that circulates through our body in a network of vessels, much like blood. But instead of carrying oxygen and nutrients, lymph carries toxic waste and cellular debris that our body needs to get rid of. Scientists used to believe that the brain didn't have a lymphatic system, but recent discoveries have shown that the brain actually has its own unique glymphatic system that kicks into high gear while we are asleep. Think of it like a cleaning crew that comes in at night to tidy up our brain cells. Just like one night of sleep deprivation can spike inflammation levels, one night of poor sleep can lead to accumulation of brain trash, which has been linked to an increased risk of developing dementia, including Alzheimer's and other brain diseases. But here's the thing. So if you are, staying up late, not sleeping on time, or not sleeping at all, then you are not giving your brain's municipality the chance to do its job. And just like a city without proper trash pickup, things can, start to get a little messy in there. So to keep your brain running like a well-oiled machine, make sure to hit the bed by 10 p.m. Very important. Think of it like this. You wouldn't neglect to take out the trash from your house. So why you neglect the brain's, trash pickup? Trust me, you don't want to be known as a person with a cluttered mind or a cluttered brain. So do your brain a favor, get some sleep. So not only does sleep help us feel refreshed and energized during the day, it also plays a crucial role in keeping our brains clean and healthy. It's like a double-duty superhero that declutters and takes out the garbage while we sleep. Think of it as a powerful medicine that we need to take to function at our best during the day and support our brain health at night. Just like we wouldn't skip taking our daily medicine, we shouldn't neglect the importance of quality sleep. So let us prioritize our sleep and give our bodies and brains the restorative rest they deserve. So sweet dreams and a cleaner, healthier brain.